This question says, I own an Amazon business. What is the best way to run Facebook ads for that business?
Wow, that's a really, really good question.
And I can even add a little bit, should you run Facebook ads to that?
I know you have some thoughts on this. I have some thoughts on this too. In regards to whether you should be running Facebook ads if you had an Amazon brand, first thing I'd like to say is that Amazon just rolled out a program for attribution. And you are able to now find out exactly how much revenue is a Facebook ad generating you on Amazon. All right? Now, that being said, it is currently what they call a beta program. We don't know exactly how accurate it is.
True.
And the other thing that I would mention to this subject is that the greatest opportunity in the world of social media marketing is the ability to bring somebody into a product page, have them interested enough so they can add that thing to cart, and during the checkout process, present other opportunities that are going to help complement that purchase.
Right.
When you are sending traffic from Facebook or Instagram directly to Amazon, you don't have that opportunity. Amazon does not allow you to upsell, cross-sell, downsell other products. You can only generate revenue from that one listing that you're sending traffic to. So I can assure you that the potential of negative return on investment is extremely high from a Facebook ad to an Amazon listing. Even though I'm a big Amazon seller, I could tell you that would not be the recommended path, because the biggest opportunity is upselling other products along the way, and that's going to turn potentially a product sale from a $20 sale to maybe having a $40 sale or $50, because you control that journey and you get a chance to present to people other of your products and your brand on the way. Would you agree, Coach?
I would agree with that, and I'll tell you about an experiment we've done recently with this. So here's some real, numbers, real data. So we set up an ad that goes from Facebook directly to the Amazon listing page. We targeted desktop only, and we sent about 3,500 people there. We converted less than 1%. So in the end, not so good.
So you know what the client did?
We cut that out, and we tested another version of this, this funnel, and that's sending them to a bridge page. Some people call it a sandwich page, an in-between page. So it's basically like a pre-sale page. Before they go to Amazon, they're getting sold on your product. If they click on a button from there, and then they go to Amazon, on that one in particular, we had, I think it was closer to 2,000 people that clicked to go to the middle page, and then we ended up with an 8% conversion rate from that page to Amazon.
Well, wait a second. From 1% to 8%?
Less than 1% to 8%.
Whoa. Okay, good. So that tells you something, right? So still, if you are insistent on you want to send traffic
maybe
to
they
Amazon,
don't have a Shopify store and they just have an Amazon
store.
store.
Maybe you're an Amazon seller and you haven't gone through the process of building your own e-commerce, which a lot of people have been on that situation in the past, or maybe you're one of those that you're trying to generate traffic to Amazon because you believe Amazon is still the present and the future, and you're not ready to build outside. Well, the best way to go about it is what Jorge just said. You can take a platform like, say, ClickFunnels, or you can take a platform like Lead Pages or whatever, and you can build a sandwich page, an in-between page, send them there. Simple messaging.
And if they're an Amazon seller, they probably have Helium 10. Helium 10 has these in-between pages for you too.
There you go. Helium 10 will allow you to build one of these pages, send traffic there, get them more qualified, and then send them to your listing, which is going to also help with your conversion rate on the listing itself, because you don't have to send a lot of traffic directly to Amazon that doesn't convert, which ends up affecting your conversion rate, which ends up affecting your ranking.
Right. And then the last thing I'll say before we get to the next question is, one thing that we found that actually helps a lot to get more clicks and more conversions is to use the Amazon Prime or the Amazon logo on your creatives. So people recognize it right away that they know they're going to go end up on Amazon.
Okay. Is that something that Amazon allows?
Not really. You're not supposed to use their logo. So it's good that you bring it up, but it's one of those gray area things like, hey, you can do it. It's not on their platform. They're not looking at that. So, but you're not supposed to. That's the reality.
Well, traditionally,
we're not supposed to do a lot of things with Amazon.
That's true.
And people do it.
Ninjas tend to be on the gray area of the world. It happens. It's a little bit more secretive. It's the way it is. But there's something that I learned from one of my mentors in my business career. He said every single time at the end of presenting a strategy, he would say, your business, your choice. We give you an idea, you use it. We have been using the Amazon branding for quite a while because they have the trust that we don't have. So that's something that you can keep in mind when you're creating some of these graphics and content. We like to replicate on our Facebook ads. We do, and this is completely not gray hat at all. This would be white hat. We like to replicate the concept of showing the reviews and putting 5 stars, for example. They're literally putting 5 stars and putting there some of the words that people are leaving on the Amazon platform itself, and that people have been conditioned to feel that's Amazon. So that by itself is something that Amazon has proven to be successful. If you're enjoying this content, please go ahead and subscribe. Help me comment below and let me know if you have any questions about marketing. And I'm on a mission to help as many of you as possible conquer the marketing world. So help me out, subscribe, hit that button, hit that bell, get notified. We're going heavy with content in this 2021 year and beyond. Go ahead and subscribe right now.